I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So,
I'm a Yankee kid. Jamaica go.
Now, Khorii Rhymes is a new voice on the poetry scene. He joins us now to share how the art form is evolving with the use of social media. Hi, Khorii.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Khorii Rhymes. Where'd you get the rhymes from? Because you rhyme in your poetry?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, how did you actually get started? I feel like I'm a poet myself.
Yes?
I write poem too, you know,
Okay.
but even I think I'm good as you. But
I forgot to drop some funny show.
drop something. How'd you get started?
I actually got started by just my aunt encouraging me. You know, from high school days, I've been doing a little bit of poetry just for projects, you know, to enhance my presentation and, you know, earn some extra marks. So yeah, I did some, showed it to my aunt. She was like, Khorii, you're really good, you should do this, you know, and I didn't really, you know, listen for years and years, and she keep encouraging me until TikTok came about, and I decided to just, you know, try it. And I did one, recorded it, posted it, and the engagement was good, so I decided to continue.
So you're one of them in high school and primary school, roses are red.
Violets are blue.
Violets are blue.
Yeah, something like that.
So social media has helped to propel your art form. What was that first poem you posted on social media, and what was the reaction to it? You said it went up.
Yeah, it wasn't viral or anything, but the reaction from those that did engage was good. It was a poem about, you know, it was something comedic. So a poem about a Sunday, I was hungry. I can't wait till my mother get the food going, and when I finally get the food ready to eat, the plate drop.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I feel that for you.
Yeah, man.
Oh, no. Yeah, so you're getting inspiration from real life events. That actually happened to you before?
No, you know, not exactly the way that I described it, but similarly. I don't want to, you know, run out that pain.
But you're writing from places of experience, though.
Yes, that's where I get my inspiration.
Personal experience and seeing what other persons go through as well. Are you writing from a Jamaican perspective only?
Not only from a Jamaican perspective, but mostly from a Jamaican perspective. Some of the things are cultural, some of them are, you know, just a little bit of storytelling. You know, Jamaican can tell story, you know, adding a little bit of fiction as well, and yeah.
All right, so why decide to post it on TikTok? I know it's a big platform, and you know we're all using the space to show our creative talents. So was that it for you? Just wanted to share? Actually,
I just had no real aim. You know, when I posted it at first, I just decided to post one. Oh, lie. Let me not lie. I remember now. I actually saw someone do something similar. I don't think he did it for TikTok or social media. I think he was performing somewhere. Someone recorded it, and it went on TikTok. I saw it and I thought, wow, I can do this too. You know, so that's where the inspiration came from.
A lot of creatives are going to social media platforms now to promote themselves. How important is it? I know today's day is all about social media. How important is it to, you know, spread the word and to share your creativity?
Well, with social media, you can reach places that you physically can't get to, right? So to promote your work and so on, it is very important. It is good to put it on social media, get into spaces that you can't get to physically, and, you know, just get connections, basically, get more supporters, more business flowing and all of that. And social media can definitely do that for you. I see that happening for a lot of artists as well. Valiant, for example, is one of them. You see where he had a viral moment. Yeah, man, and then his whole career exploded. So, yeah, social media can do a lot for you.
The art form itself of poetry, though, do we have spaces that allow for you to be able to perform your pieces if it is that you want? You know, you have comedy bars that showcase, you know, comedians and stuff like that. Is there like a specific place that promotes poetry?
Actually, I have stumbled upon a few. Let me just say, I wasn't practicing poetry before 2 years ago. Right? I had the talent, wasn't really using it. But after I started, that's actually when I started, you know, seeing that, you know, there are actually spaces for this and persons are really good. I can't definitely name any right now that I can remember, but I have seen some that I didn't know about at first as well. But yeah, they're out there. If you search, you'll find them.
But if I wanted you to perform somewhere or to see you perform somewhere, how does that work?
Well, if you want to contact me...
personally? So there isn't a space where you go to perform?
Oh, no. I'm on social media mostly.
What is your handle?
My handle is Khorii Rhymes.
Khorii Rhymes.
Khorii.
How long does it take for you to come up with something?
Well, to create and all of that,
Right.
yeah, as long as I have the idea, it can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Or if it's something, you know, real that I really need to sit and think about, research, do some research, it probably take an hour or so.
Can I put you on the spot?
Maybe.
Daedrin is my name. This is We Can Smile.
Yeah?
Go.
Let's see. So we're on We Can Smile, and Daedrin looking good. I don't know if I can say this, but maybe I think I should. Daedrin, your glasses is beautiful. Your fingers are elegant. I don't know where I made them elegant. Never mind. you know, don't want to spot anymore.
Does poetry have to rhyme, by the way?
Actually, no. But the way I do it, I like the rhyme.
I like when it rhymes.
I like when it rhymes, but there are person that are excellent and they can do it in such a way that it doesn't rhyme, but you feel that, or it lasts with you.
All right.
So, yeah.
I want to see the performance. You got something that you want to do for us?
Yes.
All right.
Yes. You want me to stand there?
We'll soon make it.
Okay.
All right. So you say your social page is Khorii Rhymes.
Yes.
That's how we find you. Only on TikTok?
At TikTok and Instagram.
And if it is that I have a specific event coming up, like say I have a wedding and I want something nice for my husband, I was about to say my wife, Jesus, take the wheel.
Hey.
For my husband, I can say, all right, this is the person, these are the things I want you to talk about. You put it together and then you can come and do like a special performance.
Yes,
that kind of stuff.
I can.
All
Definitely.
right, Khorii Rhymes. Nice talking to you. You owe me a poem, yeah?
All right, yeah. I'll definitely put it together for you.
That was poet and content creator Khorii Rhymes. We'll hear a poem from Khorii in just a little bit later on in the show, so don't go far. We Can Smile. We'll be right back.
You ever go look about visa? Let me tell you, it's a hell of a thing. You better leave your phone in your yard and God help you if you have a flashlight keyring. At 6 o'clock in the morning and God know me can't forget. Clothes well pressed and put together. And no ask if me did a fret. Embassy date set. And me reach before morning light. All the taxi boy nearly make me late and me and him almost fight. Turn up out the road, sun a burn. But we no care. At first me see some Jamaicans come out early and no food nah share. Anyways, me go through security and me take a scan. In front me have a old boy a walk and a young lady with her man. We go in, them check with documents, and then we get to sit down. Then me see BA people a pass with them head all along a ground. But you know, them have green card. So me I said, this must be great. But why them look so sad, like the axe still drop out of them plate? Everybody know one green card, so me excited to get mine. Only if you find out the green card mean you just get declined. Some more people pass, smile bright like morning sun. A white paper and them man and them a laugh and a long out tongue. Anyways, me push the big every door, scan 5 finger and join line. You see me so? Every bad man humble, and every loud mouth my device fine. The old boy got the window, say my farm for 30 years. Yes, when the woman say, you've been declined, old boy start shed tears. Me now step up as a proper country boy. Me take my documents out of my briefcase and my gear and say, hi, good evening, ma'am. I'm here for my visa today. The woman look for me, take out the green card and say, here, be on your way. A shame. Me didn't even bother want to keep playing. But you know what really burned me? Me 30 grand gone down the drain.
That was poet and content creator Khorii Rhymes. Oh my God, well, from poetry.